manje luphungule ngikushila ngayo lento leyo
kuza bani
One change like apekasi like ilethu since izinto sinento zibhaya sibayiseka zizo
Can I start?
Yeah, you can.
Should it mean I'm to the opportunity? Anywhere, I won't point to the government or the yeah, because government is us. It's government to support that president or take it off to attend to it. But when I'm told a chancellor to do better, like Lekasa is on tunes like us. I told just for umthunzi zingcolise charity you sweep noma gogo yambona akasakhona charity kuhlala ngcolile ayilonto ukuthi mfethu sitshala amabanana ama-apula in khona la strategy ukuthi and make it good khaya abantu abazoyenzani abazonakekela zona lezi zinto lezi yini leyo ifana ne-job creation because lezi zinto zigadiwe it's farming
ngicela ukuyiphawula lesho ithi le hlahla lezi ngibamba kahle sisiza thina ngileza space ngiyangithola outline lapho esingakhona ukwenzani ukulima lezi zinto lezi siyenze sisupporte abantu bakhona ngayekhasi ngiyangithola shuthi leyo nto is give to the community shuthi reward.
So can I ask something? How many people are benefiting from this tree? You can't say Baba. Did you do research on that?
If you ungahlala ekhasi ekseni uthola abantu baphansi kwehlala kunalento abathi ilanga liyashisa ngabona ngeke uhlale endlini futhi madala lapho ngeke uphefumule to according umuntu yiko bathi kuyafuneka uthole oxygen
oxygen which is izabe khona ngale ihlahla nami ngisho izabe ingekho ngihlahla ezitshalwayo ezenza impilo like yabona lezi ihlahla lezi anakusho ukuthi izenza same time umthunzi same time izanceda like sakhona ukuthengisa sitshintshe poverty. But it's true is what they are talking about ukuthi yazi ngikulethu yadindule ngonyameni
Movie studio sakho kancane ngathi Sunday
yapeta le
athi ngabe ngathi nje umzimba wakho lo
let's say mina challenge engifesa every day but wami is like enye iqala kimi ayithola lento le then it goes to society because why ngithi enye iqala kimi I can go places ayithola but lonto ngithathele ekhanda ayithola lento le ngithe ukuziblomela nje ayithola even if no sentinyana 100 nyana maybe I can budget and take you somewhere but izongithatha isikhathi then ezinye izinto ayithola lezo ezingezinjanayo ayithola ezingqakayo ayithola mngani wami routine like each and every day you wake up you see same face ayithola lento leyo you try to do something kuzoba nama-judgment ayithola lento leyo like there is no support from the community like when they see you that you are doing maybe better bayagxeka lona ini should baputha in that fear ukuthi ungayi phambili which is abona base-stage esiyi-one ukuthi we are different in choices ayithola uyaphuzanya zibhemela ayithola everything goes about addiction.
Into engayikhuluma mina to myself bafethu futhi engiyibona ngathi ngiyenza every day is like I'm addicted to drugs ngithola unabuket futhi every day ngicabanga nje mengiphethe leyo mali leyo ngihambe ngiyothenga ama-drugs ngibheme futhi alihambi ilanga kepha mina ngithi liyahamba nje ayikho into engiyigeyinayo after that uyamthola noma ngivuka ekuseni ngeke ngithi ngivuka ngiphethe 5 rand uyamthola futhi into eyenzeka kanje everyday benzobekela lokho futhi
into ekuvimbayo so like you are trapped in something you are looped in a circle you are trying to fight. We're trying to get out
Ngingadlula
on that situation.
Awuthi mina Steve.
Ngoba ziningi kodwa izinto ezenza singaphumeleli life ngiyathola lento leyo. That's why it's starting with me ngiyathola. Some other thing ilezokuthini nginikeza like mawuqeda umetric wetuzigaya igap year ngiyathola, which is lo gap year u-adapta ezinye izinto zasegasi ezizokubambezela like drugs ngiyathola. Mawuplomile namajita uthi ngiyakhenya uyifakile i-CV last week mhlawumbe kwenye indawo sophela ithemba ayithola abakubizi ufaka S3 abakubizi ayithola lento le, which is you see other people going forward uyazibuza ukuthi kanjani baya phambili kanjani bona mina like holding back like ngiyenzeni nkosi yami ayithola lento le. Bani abanye abantu baya-apply izinto bayazithola ayithola. Me I'm in the worst difficulties ayithola lento le, but angitholi isandla ayithola lento le. Always when I'm trying to get isandla kuba nomuntu mhlawumbe ozothi uyanginceda, there will be other bad influencers eceleni emva kwami abathi hayi ungamncedi ayithola. Nangu selinini uthasisi all of it.
Yabo infundise into ezibhayo yabo isothi ngithanda ngani kunothando isoweto bro, you understand isoweto inene vibe bro, uyangithola. Even noma uya kwamanye amakazi mawuphuma isoweto uyabonakala, you understand. Isoweto ikase ngikhulela kuyo ngibona ngikhula izinto zenzakala from 94 sase ngi-apartheid, uyangithola. Into engithanda ngisoweto ishintsha phambi kwami, ngibone yonke into phambi kwami angizwa kahle.
Isoweto yinto nje sikhulela kuyo yabo nesone nje Isoweto sikhulela kuyo nakumagogo yethu sikhula kanje vele nabo bakhulela la ngithola sithi kaselide
shuthi inomlando ine-history Soweto, like nabantu bangale ngaphandle they want to know about the history of Soweto, uyangithola like shuthi Soweto yenza umlando, uyangithola like
abantu bangaphandle bayeza bazofuna ukushutha iy'thombe ama-tourist ayeza bazofuna ukushutha iy'thombe ngayekasi bantini balithandile ikasi lethu yabo kwenzeka into eziningi ngapha eSoweto ngasinakudala.
Nenye into engiyithandayo ngeSoweto like all nations ayithola, Mtswana, Msuthu, Mzulu, Mlungu, sonke a rainbow nation kuSoweto. Into engiyithandayo nje ngeSoweto.